students, welcome to the next video of straight line. In previous video we had already seen the equation of a straight line, right? We started with the equation of a straight line. In that we see the general equation of a straight line. Now let us see some more forming equation of a straight line. So in that first is slope point form. So slope point form is slope is given, okay, in slope point form slope of a line is given. Suppose slope of a line is m and one point is given. So suppose point P with coordinate x1 y1 is given, okay. Then we can find the equation of a line by using slope point form. So equation will be y minus y1, that is equal to m into x minus x1, okay. This is the formula of finding equation of a line when slope is given and one point is given, okay. So y minus y1, that is equal to m into x minus x1. Let us see the example. Suppose question is find the equation of a line 3x plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0, okay, passing through the point 3 comma minus 2, okay. Question is find equation of a line 3x plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0 passing through the point 3 comma minus 2. Now since equation of a line, equation is already given, we can't use this example. Suppose question is find the equation of a line having slope 7 and passing through the point 3 comma minus 2, okay. We have to find the equation of a line when slope is given as 7 and line is passing through the point 3 comma minus 2. So we can use this formula, right? Slope m is given and one point is given, x1 y1 is given. So we are going to use this formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So that means y minus y1 is minus 2 is equal to m is 7 into x minus x1 is 3. So that is what? That is y plus 2, that is equal to 7x minus 21, right? So we'll take y and 2 on right hand side. So we get 0 is equal to 7x minus 21 minus y minus 2. So that means 7x minus y minus 23 equal to 0. This is the equation of a line, okay, clear? So first form is when slope of a line is given and one point on a line is given, then we can find equation of a line by using slope point form. Then second is 2 points form, okay. When line is passing through the point x1 y1 and x2 y2, then we can find the equation of a line by using the formula y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2, that is equal to x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2, okay. We can find the equation of a line when 2 points are given. So let's see the example. Suppose the line is passing through the point -1 0 and 2 -1. Okay, -1 0 and 2 -1, and question is find the equation of a line. So equation of a line will be y minus y1, okay, upon x minus y1 minus y2, that is equal to x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. So let's put the value. So y minus y1, okay, this is x1 y1, x2 y2. So y1 is 0, 0 minus -1, that is equal to x minus x1 minus 1 upon -1 minus 2. So that is equal to y upon 1, that is equal to x plus 1 upon -3. So cross multiplication, 3y is equal to x plus 1. Take 3y on right hand side. So what we get? 0, means x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of a line. Okay. So when 2 points are given, then also we can find the equation of a line by using the formula y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2. Okay, that is equal to x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. Okay. Then next is slope intercept form. So slope intercept form means slope is given. Suppose slope of a line is m and y-intercept is given. Y-intercept is c. Then y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. If you know the slope of a line, suppose slope of a line is -2, okay, and y-intercept is given as, and y-intercept is 4, okay, then we can find the equation of a line by using the formula y is equal to mx plus c. So slope means m, y-intercept means c. So finally we get y is equal to minus 2x plus 4. Okay. So that means I am taking this left hand side term in right hand side term in left hand side. So that will be 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation of a line. Okay. So equation of a line clear. When slope is given and y-intercept is given, then we can find the equation of a line by using the formula y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. Then next is intercept form. Intercept form means x-intercept is given. Okay. Suppose x-intercept is a and y-intercept is b. Okay. A is a x-intercept and b is a y-intercept. Then we can find the equation of a line by using the formula x upon a plus y upon b, that is equal to 1. Okay. Now let us see one example. Suppose x-intercept a is equal to 3 and y-intercept b is equal to -1. Then equation of line will be x upon 3 plus y upon -1 equal to 1. That means x upon 3 minus y upon 1 is equal to 1. Right? So that means x upon 3 is equal to 1 plus y. Okay, so that means x is equal to 3 into 1 plus y. So 3 plus 3y. So x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of a line. Okay, clear? When x-intercept means A is given and B is given, B means y-intercept is given, then we can find the equation of a line by using the formula x upon A plus y upon B equal to 1. Then last one is a normal form. Okay, now normal form is what? See, in normal form, length of a perpendicular is known as a P. Okay, we are denoting length of a perpendicular as P. Okay, then see in diagram, length of a perpendicular. Okay, when I draw length of a perpendicular, then this length is known as a P. Okay, then angle theta, which normally makes with the x-axis in positive direction. Okay, theta is a angle, right, towards the positive direction of x-axis. Then slope of a line is m, and equation of a line will be x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to P. Okay, then we can find the equation of a line with this formula x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to P. With this I am concluding this video. So thank you students.